Sweat, water from body. She was sweating after running in the sun. Whisper, speak very softly. She whispered something in my ear. Tie, fasten with a knot.
Tie your shoelaces tightly before running. Sip. Drink slowly in small amount. She sipped the hot tea carefully. Yawn. Open mouth when sleepy. He kept yawning during the long lecture.
Shout. Speak loudly. Don't shout in the classroom. Peel. Remove the outer skin. Peel the apples before cutting them into pieces. Giggle. Laugh in a silly way. The girls giggled during the funny story. Chop. Cutting into small pieces. He chopped vegetables to prepare dinner quickly. Cough. Push air from throat.
He coughed badly because of cold.
Scrub. Rub hard to clean. She rubbed the kitchen's floor. Wipe. Clean with cloth. Please wipe the table before serving the food. Sweep. Clean with broom. He sweeps the room every morning. Dust. Remove dirt. I dust the furniture every weekend. Wash. Clean with water. Wash your hands before eating food. Soak. Put in water. Soak the clothes in detergent. Shiver. Shake from cold or fear. I shiver whenever I go out in cold weather. Stretch. Extend body. She stretched her arms after waking up. Air from nose. I sneeze because of dust allergy. Pour. Make liquid flow into something. Pour the juice into the glass without spilling it. Faint. Lost consciousness. She fainted due to extreme heat. Comb. Arrange hair with a comb. Comb your hair neatly before leaving home. Argue. Disagree angrily. Do not argue with your friend.